Welcome to our in-depth review of IG Group Brokerage, where I'll walk you through all the essential details about this well-known trading platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, IG offers a wide range of services, including CFDs, Forex trading, and much more. In this video, we'll cover the main advantages and disadvantages of using IG Group, its service offerings, and the overall cost of trading on their platform. Starting with the benefits, IG Group has been in the industry for decades, providing users with access to over 17,000 markets worldwide. One of its main advantages is its easy-to-use interface, suitable for both novices and seasoned traders. With advanced charting tools, educational resources, and a mobile-friendly app, IG makes trading accessible to everyone. Another highlight is the demo account, where you can practice without risking real money. But no platform is perfect. One downside to IG is that its fees can be higher than some competitors, particularly when it comes to spreads on certain markets. There's also a minimum deposit requirement, which may not suit all traders, especially those just starting with small capital. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution: copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to IG Group, it also offers access to multiple asset classes like indices, stocks, commodities, and more, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios. However, the customer service experience can sometimes feel lacking during peak hours, which is worth considering if you anticipate needing support regularly. As far as costs go, IG is not the cheapest broker on the market, but its reliability and breadth of services justify the pricing for many traders. They offer competitive spreads on popular Forex pairs, and the platform's stability is a huge plus for those who require reliability in fast-moving markets. If you're ready to take your trading skills to the next level, IG Group could be a great option for you. The wide variety of tools and markets, alongside a robust platform, make it a solid choice for those who are serious about trading. If you're interested in following successful traders and replicating their strategies, you can start copying trades and fast-track your way to financial success. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future reviews.